This conference will now be recorded.
Just yeah. So did you get chance to see all the videos, last 5 videos, weekend? Okay, we'll start. See, the generally mock interview, it should be equal like external interview here. Suppose after training, you are going to attend any PEGA interviews. So the first rec, there are like some mandatory questions are there. Mandatory questions. The first one, tell me about itself. Okay, just 2 minutes here. Give me 5 minutes, please. Yeah, thank you. Hmm. Yeah, I will come to your point, Vivek. I'm just seeing that your messages. You're getting in some installation error. Okay. I got it. What is your problem? That one. I'll tell you. So, there are like, if you go for any interview, there are like a few questions will be mandatory. So you need to by heart those answers for those questions. So the question is first number one, tell me about yourself. Tell me about yourself means hi, for example, it's me. Hi, this is good morning. This is Madhav. I have total 5 years of experience in the IT industry, and the last 3 years I'm working as a Pega developer. I'm a CSA CWC certified person, and before that I worked as a manual tester. Last my career started as a manual tester only. So 2 years I worked as a manual tester. So I'm working currently from X company. So this is about myself. So you need to tell this is answer. So the same thing, you guys, everyone. What is the gap? Maybe 3 years or 4 years or 5 years, more than that. So finally, last 3 years you working as a Pega developer. That is, you need to tell that I'm a CSS CAWC certified person. There's a standard answer here. Standard question, standard as no change. So when you start the interview in externally, they'll ask you a question. Tell me about yourself. Okay. Next. Can you please tell me what is the role and responsibilities? Okay. What is your role and responsibilities in your current project? My role is Pega developer, and my responsibilities. I am getting user stories from my lead and reading and understanding. Once you understand the business requirement, I am designing the business requirement by using of Pega rules. Those are like case type, process flow, UI rules, activities, decision rule, declarative rule, reports, and integration rule. Mainly in that connect F and REST rule, we are using that. So they are the rules I'm daily using to designing the business requirement, and even I'm daily using debugging tools. Those are like Tracer, Flipboard, Live UI, Performance Analyzer to trace the application. And I have daily stand-up meetings will be there to report my status to the reporting manager. And I am one of the key resource in my project for helping my team members as a business functional level, technical level. They are my daily activities in my project. Standard answer here, no change. Okay, tell me about yourself. Tell me about your role and responsibilities. Please by heart it. Again, I won't tell you. This is the same question, same answers. You can, these classes will be recording and can I'm sharing to you. Once you, when you're watching again, you need to note it. Okay, because again, when you're going to asking, you're not able to tell that. Even if you go for direct interview also, again you are depending on me. If suppose if you go for proxy, I'm just telling you. So please, this question you need to by heart it. Next question, tell me about your project. This is, I'll tell you when you are preparing the resume. One more question, can you please tell me what are the case steps are there in that, or explain enter into one case type. This is also based on what you're mentioning the project in your resume. Then we need to give these two questions answers. So as of now, please note the question. Tell me about your project. Tell me about your process flow or case types in your project. Okay, they're the four questions will be standard questions. Okay, standard questions, and if there is this answer also standard, no change. For two questions I give answers. This remain two questions I will give you when you are preparing the resume. So this is the next maybe they can ask you what is your rating out of 10, out of 5 in the Pega. We can say that whether you know well or not. Out of 10, I can say 8. It's 5, you can say that 3.5 to 4. Okay, now we'll start technically. They will ask you questions. First question. So we'll go for brief. Hi, Sriram. Can you please tell me that what are the rule types we have in the Pega? Unmute and you can speak. You are right now muted.
There are rules like rule set rule,
Hmm.
uh, rule set rule, class rule,
Hmm. Oh dear. I told you right. Friday class clearly. We are in the initial
Sir,
stage only. Here itself, yeah. Someone saying.
yes, sir, can I tell you?
Yeah. Go ahead, ma.
Sir, we have 8 core roles. First rule is rule set rule. Second rule is class rule. Third,
Hmm.
property rule. Fourth, activity rule.
Hmm.
Fifth is decision rule, declarative rule, live UI rule.
Hey, Naveen. Live util is a rule. There itself they'll find out you are the fake person.
User
Really, are you
interface rule.
technology?
We
Can
have
I tell,
user
sir?
interface.
Hmm.
Yes, sir, user interface. Sorry for that, sir. User
Hmm.
interface rule.
So based on you're using the terminology, they can tell you that you're experienced or fake person also. Okay.
So, sorry for
Rule set rule, class rule, property rule, decision rule, declarative rule, activity rule, user interface rule, process flow rule, and the main core rule types in the Pega.
Can I tell the additional, sir?
Yeah, go ahead, Vivek.
Yeah. So after 8 rule, additional requirements, report definition rule, queue process or job scheduler rule, also called the JS rule, integration rule, debugging rule, performance rule. Oh, sorry, not
Again,
debugging, still
uh,
integration rule.
okay, okay. Can you please explain what are the debugging tools are there? Can you please explain, Vijay?
Shall I explain, sir? Or
No,
Vijay?
Vijay.
Okay, okay. Sorry.
Yamini, you are muted, Yamini. Can you please unmute and tell about what are the debugging tools? Explain that. Hamsaras, Hamsaras,
Yeah, yes, Madhav.
can you please?
There are there are 4 types of debugging tools: tracer, live UI, performance analyzer tool, and clipboard.
Yeah, explain those things.
Uh, Live UI we used in the like presentation layer, and tracer we used in business logic layer, and performance analyzer tool we used in database layer.
Hmm. Okay. What about clipboard?
Yeah, clipboard and tracer we used in the business logic both.
No, what purpose we use it? Tell me that clearly.
Uh, Tracer is like when we have to uh, what we can say, when we debug the error by step, then we use the tracer. And about the clipboard is like um,
Hey, Hamsraj. Vivek.
Sir, tracer will run in the background.
Can you please mute others? Using echo sound.
Clipboard.
Yeah, go ahead, Vivek.
Clipboard instead of cookie, it is used as a session here. It is done through session. So clipboard basically used to store data temporarily. Don't have to go for a DB. Act like a junction. And clipboard mainly helps to increase performance. It is also for cache purpose.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is the purpose of clipboard, usage of clipboard.
Okay. Next. Can you please tell me, Pawani, what is PRPC? Pawani, what is PRPC? Pawani. Bishwajit. PRPC, what is that?
Combination of the definition of PRPC is process rule, rules, process, Pega rule, process commander, and it's a combination of two different tools, Pega rule and Pega process commander.
Yeah, Avijit, can you please explain that? What are the Pega features?
Yeah. So the main features of the Pega is first, like it is a quick, and due to the quick development of the application, it is a profitable because it take less time to create a quality application. And there's a the advantage of Pega using is it is a drag and drop design process tool. We can develop any kind of domain application like banking, IT, or any kind of domain application. It supports it also support any type of application like a standalone web application, enterprises application, and tablet application. And there is a zero code which is required to develop the application. And the more features of the Pega is that it is easy to integrate with any kind of application without coding is required.
Okay. That's it.
Do we have to mention all the debugging tools and about
You tell that
performance tools?
yeah, performance tools and other features are there, right? Reports, agent,
Reports.
security, deployment, automation deployment. These all things are there, right?
Okay, so do we have more about the Pega? So we have to mention about everything like debugging tool, performance tool, Gardener, PAL, alert
No,
tools, and the
these all
report
other features
reports.
only, right? These are other features only, right?
Okay, okay. For in this, but how we going to mention the security, insecurity? Like we have to just mention like insecurity, basic security, custom security, and
Pega
SSOS,
will
and
support any kind of security mechanism, whatever industry will be available. Those are, I told you, right? Custom,
yeah, yeah, yeah. And the
basic,
deployment,
SSO.
manual deployment, automation deployment, it also support. Yeah. It also support
Okay.
the on-premise and client support, on-premise and cloud system also. And
There's live
also,
application, production application.
yeah, production application. And the batch processing is also there, like agent queue process and job scheduler. It also has the features of multi-threading, and it is has a loosely coupled structure, so we can develop uh, parallelly in all the layers like front-end layer, business layer, and database layer. and it has a high executional speed, and it also support the features of like standard framework and customized framework.
Mm.
So these are the common feature which we make ready to use.
Mm-hmm. Okay, fine. So, did you everybody's created account in the Pega PDN? Everybody's created your account in the Pega PDN. My question.
Yes.
No.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Yes.
Still, other people know. I told you, no. Please create account in the Pega PDN.
Yeah, but the installation was not done, so the reason I'm unable to
No,
get
I'm
it.
not asking you Pega software. I'm talking about Pega PDN website.
Okay.
Pega PDN website. This one I'm talking you. Pega PDN. This is website, right? This is our Pega website, our tool website where we can get all kind of supporting and information. Please create your own account by using of Gmail ID. I told you, right? Did you create or not? Still, if you not create, please create now itself. Okay, that's one thing. Okay. So you know that as Pega we have softwares, personal edition, enterprise edition. That you know. So already we are installed in my system. I installed successfully, but it didn't. As we have agenda, we need to install. Then after that, how to start, how to open Pega application, that will be pending. Before that, how many people are? Is there any still not done Pega software? Abhijit
Yes.
done, right?
Have done.
Vivek is pending. Okay. Bishwa, what about you?
Not yet, mother.
I'm just done. Jayashree,
Done with me.
Mohan is done. Naveen,
Done.
Pavani,
Done.
Pavani. Satish,
Done, sir.
Sriram.
Not done, sir. Today I will done it.
Okay. Dharani,
Sir, not done.
why Dharani?
I was out of station, sir, so I was not.
Okay. Vijay,
And not done.
why Vijay? Any reason?
I'm getting error. So the reason. Yeah, getting error.
You're getting a what error? Same thing, database connectivity.
Yeah, just a second. Just a second. It's showing a use logs to find the cause. Then correct and run again. It was showing that.
No, what is error? Error will be there. That's okay. Showing some error in a database connectivity. Okay, fine. Vivek also saw that. Yamini,
Something Java. Just again, I'm also installing. It is showing the.
okay. Vivek also not done that. Vyamini,
Done, sir.
you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, fine. Who are not done that, you are facing issue, right? Very simple. Please uninstall the Pega software completely. Please uninstall it.
Once again.
Uninstall, you know how to
Okay.
uninstall, right?
Yes, yes.
After that, first uninstall Pega.
Yeah, I'm uninstalling it.
Otherwise, Vivek, can I make you a presenter? Just I made you a presenter. Please share your screen. What is the problem? I'll tell you.
Yes, sir. But I'm using two systems. I logged in, and the laptop is different laptop where I have installed. I have to log in and then go to meeting. Just 2 minutes, sir.
Okay. Then I'll go for some other. Vijay?
Yeah, I was logged in by phone or not on have
Array,
desktop, so
what man? What I have to do then? Okay, fine. See, uninstall it. Okay, now everybody's
yeah, understand.
uninstall it. Once you uninstall, please check it first of all. We have Java or not in our system. How to check it in Java?
How
Is
we
there
can
or
check?
not? Yeah, I'll show you. Go for command prompt CMD. Enter. First of all, check it whether Java is there or not in the system. How to check it? Go for command prompt. There Java space hyphen version. Click enter. What happened? Java is not recognized.
Java space iPhone version.
Controller, right? Java space hyphen version. Why is saying there's not recognized? What happened is there right in my system. You got it, guys? C folder, program files, Java. Go back. Java. Yeah, form is not there. And why is not there? Okay, suppose if you got it like this, please install Java. Okay, please install Java. That is Java. Go to Google. Otherwise, even though not required while installing Pega, we can install it. Okay, so don't install it. Java also keep it. What you will do first, you download. Go to Google.
Okay.
Go to Google. First uninstall it Pega. Okay. After that, go to Google. Download Visual C++. Okay. Download C++. Click on this latest version or 2015. You need to download and install Visual C++ here. Then after that, install the Pega. Okay. Download it here and install it. After that, you can install Pega. Pega will be installed successfully. So it is required sometimes in the system it will be there, and some of the system will not be installed. We need to manually install it. Then you can install the Pega. Then it will work out. So that is the problem for you, Vivek. When you're getting that is the issue.
Sir, can I share my screen, sir, please?
Already I shared my screen here. You're not able to see.
No. You asked me to share. So you want me to install Visual C++ and then try again?
Yes, first uninstall it Pega.
But when I go to
First
uninstall folder, I mean that is not there. Pega is not there.
No, I told you how to uninstall, even though just remove the desktops and go to some C folder where you are installed, right? That's folder location. Then remove the PRPC personalization option will be there. That folder name is there, right? Please remove this. That's it. If you remove this, it means that you uninstalled Pega software.
Okay, so after installing, I have to install
Visual Studio, yeah, C++. Then after that, probable, then better you can restart the system. Then try to install it. Then it will be definitely will be successfully done that.
One more question, sir. So keeping it in C drive, D drive, E drive, I mean, will that be an issue? No.
No, nothing. There is not a problem that.
Okay.
I think someone is charted in the Google GoToMeeting chart. I think Pavani. Okay, no? Okay, so now after that, now we are successfully installed Pega software in the local machine. Okay, but in the real-time level, they won't install. We are already one project, total 50 members. In means 15 systems. So they were your administrator won't install individually here. How we can, that is the case, then how we can use Pega application? How you are using Gmail application? We are installing some of the system, but when I want to use Gmail application, you open the browser, there you can enter the URL, Gmail URL, and opening the application. The same scenario. The installation will be done in the administrator system, not your system. They won't no need to install in all the systems. They will install only administrator will control by the system. So they will give you URL and username, password, credentials. Okay. First one, before if you want to use the application, I'm the administrator as of now. Okay. Just assume me I'm administrator. Now I want to start the Pega application. Pega application will be there inside the server. Pega server, that is if you talk exactly Tomcat server inside the personal edition. How to start the server? There are shortcuts will be there inside desktop. Pega platform 7 startup shutdown login. So we need to start the server. Right click on the startup and open that. So click open. So now I'm going to open starting the Tomcat server. Now the Tomcat server will be opening Pega application, loading all rules configurations here, initializing and loading all rules configuration. Everybody please start the server. So start the server. So first time when you are doing this, it will take time when you're doing the first time. Because your first time opening, right? Second time onwards, it will give a quick time, because already when you are opening the first time, it will create rule cache. So where the rules loading I don't want next time onwards I want to give the quick response. That's why Pega server will be maintaining the cache, keeping everything there. So then second time onwards it will give the quick response. The first it will take at least 5 minutes. It's taking time. It's loading.
Mother, we have to do it every time we start the Pega to start the server, or it will be
You're
already
talking
in the.
about here. You're talking about real time.
We are talking about real time.
Real time, no need, no. Every time.
Yeah.
They will do only weekly once. Administrator will take. You don't want to worry about that.
Yeah. Okay.
It's completely administrator. Weekly once or 2 weeks once, when you feel that performance application will be running very slowly. Then if you inform them, he will restart it.
Okay, okay.
Otherwise, they won't do that. Otherwise, the scenario maybe you are adding some external jar files, any deployment, those scenarios only it will be
Then we have
restarted.
to restart the server. Yeah, okay.
Yes, yes. Even you don't have control, right? This all control will be taken by the administrator. You just developing on your side.
Yeah, okay.
Sir, if it's possible to change operator ID and password.
That's I'll tell you. I'll tell you that we can do it also. Otherwise, you can inform administrator also. We can do it. Both we can do. By you or by administrator. Maybe first time you're seeing, right, what are these all things you're not able to understand. Once you see at least 70% of code, then you'll understand what are things will be loading here. All rule types will be loading here. All rule types will be loading here. In the where it is loading local host, the server will be there inside the local host only. Means in my application. All library files. Pega rules will be loading overridden. Just click enter. Maybe it will be fast. When it will be stuck someplace, just type enter. 9 ms means milliseconds.
Oh, hello, sir. I was installed at C++, was showing that Redux into 64 and 86. Two was downloaded. Which one I have to use in this?
Make it 18, 15.
Sorry?
No, it's in the 15 version or 16. Both are saying that available.
15 version I have downloaded, installed.
Then install it to 15 only.
Yeah, it was downloaded to, it was showing that Redux into 64 and 86.
61, 86. Not getting, man.
64 and 86.
Oh, okay.
It's
The vision 64, 64. That is the latest, you
60,
mean, right? Not the 2-bit version, no?
okay, 64 is the
Because
latest.
64 version,
Can I
we
uninstall
take.
that 86? Okay. It was downloaded to 86 and 64, so I have to use only 64,
64 only.
Okay.
No, from now onwards, whatever you're taking any time in future also 64 because 32-bit are there now we're not using, right? All are 64-bit machines. That's why we need to take the 64-bit softwares only.
Okay.
sir, can I
So next
transfer
week
my
almost very near. Sorry.
can I transfer my screen, sir? Already my application has opened.
Okay, 2 minutes. Yeah. So always now we are very near to open the server. We'll get the one message. How will I know whether the server is ready or not? Right? By seeing the message, I can say that my service will be ready. I'll show the message. Yeah. That. Yeah. You're able to see. I'm just highlighting the line. Server startup in milliseconds. So when you got it, this message mean the server is ready right now. So you are successfully your Tomcat or Pega server started successfully. Now I want to open the Pega application. Now your server is ready. Even application also will be woke up. So now how to launch the Pega application? There is one more shortcut, login. Shortcut will be, please select on that. Now we are going to getting, it is Pega tool opening through browser. It will support any browser. So in the real-time level, they will provide you this URL. Okay, they will provide you this URL, so no need to install in every system. It will be installed only Pega administrator level. So then they will provide you this URL. When I give this URL, this is called what kind of application? Web application, right? So no need to install. We can open just using of URL like Facebook, Twitter. How we are doing that? The same thing, banking application. So now I've opened here application. So it is asking username, password. So default personal edition. If you want to open the application, they given the default credentials. Who are participating in the Pega application, we are calling them operators. As a BA, as a developer, manager, anybody who are participating, any actor participating in the Pega application. Instead of saying the user ID, we can say operators. So I am the operator, you are the operator. So operators need to work inside the Pega application. We need operator account. That means that operator ID, operator password. But as of now, we don't have. So they give the default credentials. Administrator, please note it. This is the standard administrator. Then question, sir, we know number of roles are available right now. Developer role, BA role, tester role, administrator, right? Why you are using only administrator? Correct. You know that which role will have full permission, full access in any organization? The administrator will have the full rights. Remaining people based on the role, they will restrict the few of other permissions, right? Security. So I want to develop full access and the control on the Pega platform, Pega tool. So that's why they give an option for you. You can take administrator credentials, then you'll get the full control to develop your application. So the default credential administrator @pega.com, password is install. All other small letters, INSTALL, install, please note it. Click login. So once you get the Pega login tool page, that we need to provide the operator ID password and click login. Now it is going to opening we are going to inside the Pega tool. So you know that now how you are opening Pega using of browser. So pages are coming. So then now we are the developers. We need our place in the Pega platform, because Pega platform different roles. So they want to give you the one place to work all the people. If we give one place for all the people, BA, tester, administrator, developer, project manager, there's a lot of disturbance. For avoiding them, we are giving different work area on same Pega platform, right? In the we have our native or whatever, wherever. So we have the individual houses, not a single to stay all the people. So that is the why the comfortables. The same thing here. The first time, right, is taking time to loading. Second time nodes don't take time. So according to role, they given the different work area or workspace on the Pega platform, Pega tool. What are the work areas we have based on the role? I will tell you. First is open, then we'll see.
What is the password, sir?
Sorry, pass install install.
All small
All are
letters,
small
sir.
letters, Emily. All are small. Still going. This all stopping, starting, opening application is all things will take care by the administrator. Again, if you finish your work, suppose many real-time level Pega administrator will take it, don't worry. Suppose now you're practicing, right? So again, your work is completed, you want to stop the application. Don't close directly. Closing server. So okay, work is done and don't close the server if you want to stop the server. If you close the server directly, again you need to reinstall. If you close it, so you need to do properly. Log off the application and stop the server. Stop the by using of shutdown is there, right? Right click on this option. Shut down the server. Wait, still it's going. It's taking time here. Right. Data.
Sir, can I transfer my screen? Already my
Please.
application has opened.
Okay, wait. Yeah. No, anyhow, you are able to open the application,
Yes.
right? No issues, no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Oh, okay, fine. First, let me see that why mine is not. Yeah, it's opening here. It's taking time. Dev Studio is coming.
Yes, sir.
Taking time. Yeah, you got it. What is this place? I'll talk to you later. Not tomorrow class. Will talk to you. So once you got it, this application, I want stop the application. Don't close directly this and direct this server. Don't do like this. Okay, na? What I have to do? Log off the application first. Where we can see log off option? There is a corner left side. There's a symbol is there. Say is nothing but administrator. Click on the symbol, the round symbol. There we can see log off option. Click log off. Do the properly. Don't close directly. Some of the instance will be failed back and again. We need to reinstall. Then shut down the server. Just right click on the shortcut. Shut down the server. So we need to shut down means we are stopping the server. So this is the way we need to do properly when you want to open the application. Start the server, log in the application. Then you want to stop the application, log off the application, shut down the server. Don't close directly. Then some of the rule instance will be failed. Again, you need to reinstall. When you're going to opening again, it won't open. Again, you have to reinstall. So don't do that. But real-time level is not required because server maintenance will take up the administrator. I'm talking about your local system. Yeah, so my side is installed successfully and open the Pega application successfully. So imagine that. So only the 3-4 people not done that. Please, I told you, right? Use my Visual Visual C++, download it, install it, and again install that. If you have any question, please let me know. Remaining people, you are able to open the application, right? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Open or not?
Yes, mother. Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
then
Madam.
everybody is over, right? Okay, fine. We'll see the tomorrow. What are the work areas are available inside the Pega platform? That we'll see the tomorrow. Okay?
Hello.
Yes, yeah.
Hello. Sir, just
Yes.
wait for 2 minutes. Why? Because I just now I've installed it again, reinstalled the Pega application after installing the C++. So it would have any issues, I will let you know. Just
Okay.
2 minutes.
No, you're already 8. I have some other class. Take Prakash
Starting.
number. I'll call you 1-to-1 here after 9. Okay, na?
Yeah.
You can take my number from the Prakash.
Yeah. Sure.